I'm here with Cameron Deatsch from Atlassian, and Cameron is my new friend. Actually, we don't know one another for too long. We had like three.
We met in May at Atlas Camp, right?
And we had a dinner tonight, right?
Yeah.
Together, right?
Yeah.
So Cameron is a big friend of mine because Atlassian has been proposing cloud for, I don't know, 3 years, and it was always cloud. And Cameron is my friend because he's server. What's server and cloud? Can you decipher?
Well, let's just be clear. So Atlassian has both cloud offerings where we manage your entire infrastructure and run it as a SaaS service, all of our applications. But Atlassian's actually historic business since 2002 was deploying software that people ran on their own servers. And we call that our server offerings. But we actually have two deployment options, server and data center, for our, we call it self-hosted or behind the firewall applications. And my job is to run our go-to-market or our marketing functions for those applications.
So what does it mean running marketing for, so what's the difference? What the difference in customers and the needs and so on?
So right now there's almost no difference between the products themselves. There are some differences between how the APIs work and when you get updates and so on. The biggest difference is if you look at many of our new customers are coming in and trying off our cloud solutions, our cloud offerings. It's basically, and we've actually, of our 60,000 customers, we just peaked and actually have more cloud customers than we do our server and data center customers. However, if you look into Europe, if you look into German market, if you look into other South America or in the Asia Pacific markets, or even our larger enterprise customers, they have specific needs, whether it's regulatory, industry, you name it, that they prefer to manage all their applications themselves. And we want to make sure we continue to make those customers successful and happy, but their demands often are significantly different than what a customer that wants to come and use a SaaS offering is.
When I heard of you the first time and your biography, that was very interesting for me. You've been working with Jive Software in the past, is that right?
Yeah, so the company I worked for before I came to Atlassian, I've been at Atlassian 4 years now. I worked for a company called Jive Software before that. And I was there for about 5 years. I was employee number 85 at Jive, and I left about right after they went IPO, and saw a great ride, kind of helped build the social business market.
So what's the difference? Why is Atlassian better than Jive? What's different? I don't know, culture, product, whatever you want.
It's the eternal debate, and I fundamentally think is that where the biggest overlap between the two products, between Jive Software and Atlassian products, is Confluence, where both can really be used as an intranet solution. The interesting piece is where Jive really focused on social activity streams and microblogging and really started competing with Yammer. Confluence really nailed the documentation, real-time collaborative editing, integration with your application workflow, and really partnered along with the software development organization. Now both can be used for intranets and both have their advantages either way, so when say one is better than the other, it really comes down to the use case. Where I find Confluence to be extremely exciting is if you use Jira at all in your business, and most of the companies do at this point, it has incredible integrations, and I actually kind of look at it as a user every day. It's like, if you're using Jira without Confluence, how do you even get your work done, right? It's like all the context behind those Jira tickets and issues, Confluence really expands upon. And once you realize that power, you can start using Confluence for a variety of use cases well outside of software development. And I think that's the powerful part about Confluence.
Did you use Atlassian tools when you were at Jive?
Yeah, we use Jira. We use Jira, we use Bitbucket as well.
And Confluence wasn't there?
Confluence was not at Jive. Yeah.
Awesome, Cameron. We're building an intranet solution based on Confluence called Linchpin.
Oh, sweet.
Why would you think Confluence could be an awesome internet solution?
First off, the flexibility of the platform in itself is extremely powerful. And Atlassian really built kind of these basic platform capabilities, but never really wrapped it up to say, here's an intranet solution. We leave it to the customers to really do that. But if you look at the powerful capabilities like macros, which allow you really to basically take a basic document and make it into a rich internet application, you can kind of build any intranet solution you want. So you can go into marketing and you can manage marketing campaigns, you can go into HR and run an HR onboarding process. The flexibility that Confluence will provide, especially when it's tailored for an intranet solution, would be absolutely incredible. So I'm excited to see what happens there.
Yeah. Cool, thank you.